Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you another great project named Energy Games, and the website link is energy8game.games. As you know, guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market, and they come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Energy.games is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But as you know, you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. So when you open this site energy8.games, you can see play computer games and earn energy 8. The uniqueness of this token is that it is not affected by speculative coins. The wallets are limited, the selling once a day and no more than 30% of the balance. Each person can have no more than 1% of the total number of tokens. The main goal of this token is payment for virtual exclusive necessities within the game of and mining of energy 8 in computer games with the possibility of staking in this currency. Currently Energy 8 support two PC games which is Minecraft and GTA 5. Future plans involve integration of Energy 8 into other games. So here you can buy it on PancakeSwap, and here you can see the crypto news, and here you can see the live chart of Coin chart here, and here you can see the roadmap. So let me show you the contract address of this token first. Here is the contract address, and here you can see the contract address. Balance you can see here, BNB value you can see here, contract creator at NTXN you can see here, and the token tracker energy 8 E8 you can see here. Let me show you the token chart. So here is total supply 100 quadrennial and market capital is 2,91,661 dollars. PCV to E8 BNB LP holdings you can see here 40.92 BNB which is equal to $14,049. And here you can check energy E8 BNB live price, and here you can check the live chart of this token, and here you can see the transaction of this token, and you can buy it on PancakeSwap. So simply when you click this buy on PancakeSwap, it will redirect it to you PancakeSwap. Here you have to click import wallet, I understand, then click import, then you can simply swap from BNB to ETH. First you have to connect your wallet, then you can simply swap and simply buy this token. And when you go down, you can simply see here Binance coin 344400 USD. You can see here market capital is saying 3,40,000 dollars, and soft capital you can check it's reached. Crowd sale it will be reached. Hard cap and target is 10 million. Current bonus $100 win by advertising us. Next bonus you can see here, and when you go down you can see here the how to buy the video and reason to buy this token, play and earn, and this total supply you can see here. And let me show you this anti-whale. It is an anti-whale. Our unique anti-whale system is going to allow it to keep only 1% of the total supply. There is only 1% one transaction allowed in 24 hours and not more than 30% of your current deposit. In-game deposits are not restricted. It is a deflectory token also, and here its purpose is main task of this token is to integrate into games and as cryptocurrency for in-game purchases with option to withdraw into stable coins. Here you can check the total quantity of this token, and 45% is locked in liquidity pool, 40% in gaming servers, mining and gifts, 5% is advertising of this project and development, 3% testing tokens and checks. So you can see this all information here. And NFT community token, it is for gamers and for traders. You can see here the main goal. You can see the main goal of this token here. If you want to see this main goal, you can see this main goal of this token is payment for virtual exclusive necessities within the game and mining of energy 8 in computer games with the possibility of staking this currency. Currently, Energy 8 support to PC game Minecraft and GTA 5. Future play involves integration of Energy 8 into other games also. And here you can see the four traders also is there, and there is soon listing on exchange Bitrue and Gateo and Binance etc. Safe to buy, it is a verified contract, safe pool and burn token is there, manual burn 3 times a year, fair launch it is 5% reserved for development and marketing, and liquidity pool is only logged on Unicrypt. So you can see this all here. Tokenomics, if you see here, lockup is 45%, gamer servers 40%, marketing 5%, test tokens 3%, and post stake is 7%. And when you go down, you can simply see the roadmap of this token if you want to see. Next exchange you can see here you can get the time of this next exchange if you want to put, enter your E8 wallet here, BSC address here you can see the documents of this token, white paper. If you want to see white paper, you can easily see of white paper here, and in press you can see this here, and here you can get the crypto news. If you want to get any news, you can get this news from this page. And here is the contact us page. If you have any query, you can contact them here. You can join their social media, Twitter and Telegram, and here their email is if you have any query. So it's a great trusted platform. I'm a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future, but you know you have to invest at your own risk. If you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description. And thank you for watching video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.